Here, look in here. Look, there's more. Look, pull this out. Oh, cool. It's little people. Get more. Oh, what's that? What is that? Yogurt covered pretzels. Yummy. Here, we'll open it later. What? Oh. Oh. What's that? Dinosaur pajamas. You have one more. We'll open it in a minute. Look. Oh, it's a Batman car. I think that's everything. There's no more. You want to check? All gone. Okay, hold on. Who's in there? Who's in there? Elmo! La 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 la. La 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 la. Elmo. That's from Nanny. Yeah.
Elmo's so happy to see you.
Oh, he's so happy.
Elmo's t-shirt has a red square on it. Red is the color of Elmo's fur. Elmo loves to sing about colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, brown, and blue. Look for colors all around. Elmo sees blue. Do you?
He's so fascinated with the food.
This is the last one. Okay, Lucas, here's your last present. Falling apart now. It's from Nanny and Papa too. I'll help you because it's glittery. Look. A pirate ship. Uh-oh. A pirate ship with bird. Wow. And a cannon. Wow. Say thank you, Nanny and Papa. And Santa and Mommy and Daddy. Bye. Oh, is that your train? Choo-choo train. Choo-choo. Are you... Let me open that. Open that. Well, I'm trying, Lucas.